Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we will continue building financial model for so it is a customer behavior financial model. So we will be modeling different types of consumer behavior, and this behavior from perspective of revenue, direct costs will affect the cash flow statement, simple, discounted payback period, internal rate of return, cash flow statement, and so on. So today we will be focusing on modeling direct costs. We will be linking these direct costs to the life cycles of this or that type of customer, and so this is what we will be focused on today. So please like, share, subscribe. You can always order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. At the end screen of this video, I will give you the link to the playlist where I will be keeping all these tutorials. So you will be able to watch them, all of them from scratch till the final overview. And when I completely finish this model, I will give you all the links in the description of this video as well for all these tutorials. So you will be able to watch all this stuff for free. First of all, let's very quickly run through what we did before during our previous tutorials. So in our model, all inputs are colored with this blue color. So these are the inputs, these are the inputs, these are the inputs. So first of all, we are setting up the first year of our financial projections. Then we are setting up 6 types of customers. We can name them. We can switch them on and off from calculations. We can set up the life cycle for this or that type of customer. So after this period of months, this type of customer will disappear from the project. So we'll be calculating the revenues and direct costs the right way. That's why our revenues will be calculated accurately. They won't be exaggerated. Because according to this algorithm, some part of customers will disappear. So this will give us the accurate revenues, accurate profits, accurate payback period, simple, discounted, cash flow, and so on. Then we have global coefficients for scenario analysis for revenues, global and local. Then we have global and local coefficients for direct costs. And we also have global and local coefficients for the amount of new customers. So we can play during scenario analysis with all these coefficients without touching the inputs themselves. Then we will be modeling, the revenues per customer per month. So for each type of customer, so these are the month of life cycle of this or that type of customer, and these are the revenues. So we can specify different types of revenues per customer for different types of customers. Then we are specifying direct costs for each type of customer during its life cycle. Then we are specifying the amount of new customers joining our projects, and then many steps ahead. So we got the revenues. So now it's time for us to calculate the direct costs. So what we need to do? First of all, we have direct costs per customer. Then we have direct cost per customer with coefficients added. We need these lines. But now we need to transpose these values of direct costs to make us be able to use VLOOKUP function. So these are revenue per customer transpose. This will be direct costs. So let's make it green. This will be red. So this will be, here we will place 6 types of customers. So what we will do now, we will write a very simple formula. We will choose transpose, then we will go to the direct costs per month. We will be choosing this line, so this will be for the first type
of customer, direct costs, then for the second, this will be line 51,
'51, '52, '52, '53, then 54, and 55. So now we've transposed direct costs, and now we need to move to the end of our table, to the end of our model, and I will be copying this table. So this will be direct costs, step 1. So let's change the colors. So now let's go deeper to this table, and to cook direct costs we will need the customer life cycle table, so here in this table we have month, counting the life cycle for this or that type of customer. Here they are. Then we also need the amount of customer that we have in this or that moment of timeline. So in July, let's say we have 20 new customers. August,
for example, 20 new customers, so we will be picking these customers from this table.
So now I will go here and start writing a very simple formula. I will be using VLOOKUPs. So I will be searching this month of the life cycle of the customer type 1. I will be searching this month I will be searching it in this table.
And I will freeze this table. And here I will need the column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 column. I will need exact match. Then I will be multiplying this direct cost value on the amount of customers. I will be freezing this column. If error, I will be pulling 0. Now I'm closing the brackets. Now let's extrapolate this formula to the bottom and to the right. So these are direct costs for customer type number 1. So as you can see, we have the life cycle for this particular 20 customers. Then they disappear and we have 0 here. So each new customers that appear, you can see, so they appear. Then we have some life cycle. When we have revenues and direct costs for them, then they disappear. So we are calculating the revenues and direct costs correctly. So now we can copy. So let me collapse it. And then let's copy 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's go here and adjust the formula for the customer type number 2. I will need, so this will be the life cycle for the second type of customer. It's okay. Then customer transpose, I will need the second table. Here it is, it's okay. But for this table, I will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will need 9th column. I will do the same for all other types of customers. So 9. Then 10. Then 11.
then 12, then column number 13 finally, now I'm gonna collapse all these tabs. So what I can do now, I can just copy this table from the revenues. Now I just need to consolidate the direct costs. So let's name it direct cost consolidated. So these are the expenses, so I'm coloring it with red. They will go to the cash flow statement. So we are in these lines, in these 6 lines, we are gathering all the direct costs by type of customer. So for example, for the customer type number 6, we can go here, see the totals for the previous. For customer type number 1, we can see direct cost gathering from this table. So now we're done with this type of direct costs linked to the life cycle of this or that type of customer. So please give us a like, subscribe. You can always order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. At the end screen of this video, I will give you the link to the playlist where I will be keeping all these tutorials. And when I completely finish this model, I will give you all the links in the description of this video as well. So you will be able to watch the whole process, all tutorials from scratch till the final overview absolutely free. So thank you guys for watching. See you next videos. Thank you and bye.